The Galaxy Watch 6 and Samsung's next foldable phones are scheduled to be unveiled during the company's upcoming Unpacked event, which will be held in South Korea at the end of July, according to a statement from the company. Accordingly, a recent FCC filing revealed an unaltered charging specification while indicating the normal range of connection for Samsung Galaxy Watches. The Galaxy Watch 6, like its earlier predecessors, will be the most recent model to hit the market. It will properly sport the model numbers SM930 and SM940, which are most likely equal to the regular and Pro variants of these smartwatches, respectively. Additionally, it is thought that the SM935 and SM945 versions are larger models or ones with larger display screens. There was a mention of the OR900 wireless charger model number in addition to the standard selection of connection choices including Wi-Fi 8B per gram N, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. The charger used with the Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review is the same as this one. Therefore, it is logical to anticipate that the next Galaxy Watch 6 series will use the same magnetic wireless charging capability of 10 watts. It's important to remember that 10 watts on a wristwatch is similar to a fast charging pace on smartphones even if the charging wattage remains the same. The battery in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can charge to 45% capacity in only 30 minutes, as we saw during our study of the device. Due to its reduced battery capacity, the regular Galaxy Watch 5 does this somewhat quicker. As previously reported, Samsung intends to equip the Galaxy Watch 6 with the most recent Exynos W980 CPU. Due to the more effective 5nm production process, the new chip is anticipated to provide a minor speed bump, which may improve the battery life of the next watches. The rotating bezel may also return with the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro or Classic model. Is rapid charging for smartwatches a feature you prioritize while shopping? What do you believe to be the bare minimum charging grade for smart wearables? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.